Hey everyone, welcome back. If you saw my last video, you know that I just got my plug followers delivered by Lady Locks that were made by Each Lens, and I figured I would try to do my first pick and gut. So I have that American Lock 1100 that Lady Locks was so kind enough, the Resurrected, that she was so kind enough to send to me, and I'm going to try to give this a pick and a gut. So I'm going to be using the 50,000th bent pry bar from Covert Instruments, and the short flat hook from the Genesis set. Excuse me. And light tension, and here we go. Starting at pin 1, we've got 2 clicks. Oh, that might have been the tensioner. Let's see here. Hold on. Okay, pin 1 feels okay for now. Something will stick in here. Okay, that was a couple clicks on pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, slight false set, pin 5, and we are open. Wow, that was so much better than my first video attempt of this on, it took 10 minutes or so. But there we have it. So, got that picked, and now we're going to try to give it a gut. So, try to keep this all on frame. Got a screwdriver, and we'll take this out. Put that right there. Should be able to drop that out there. Drop the core out, and there's no bypass wafer in this one. That's perfectly fine though. And here is the core. So now we're just going to try to get this clip off. Should be able to, if I'm lucky, without tearing my fingernails all off. There we go. Okay. We got the C-clip off. And the one thing I don't have are any shims, but I'm going to hope that that will be okay for this one. So first things first, I don't know what size of this to use. Okay, these are all notched on both ends. Okay, we can work with that. I'm guessing maybe this one. Let's see if the size lines up here. Uh-oh, this might be a problem. Without shims, how am I going to do this? This is offset, so ruh-roh. If I turn it this way, dangerous game I'm playing here. Well. Let's see. We made it work. Just use a slightly smaller follower and held it just right. Okay, so we'll put that there. Alright, so we have five key pins. There's the key. And it does look like each one of them have to be picked just a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. I hope you can. I can't tell whether this camera is focusing or not. Looks like pin 4 is a, you don't have to lift pin 4 very much at all. So hold on a second. Borrowed a pair of tweezers here. So pin 1 is a standard. Let me see if I can do it this way. Pin 1's a standard. Pin 2 is a serrated key pin. Oops. Pin 4 is a very long serrated key pin. Ooh. That could have been bad. So that was pin 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And pin 3. So there's the core. Let's get this turned around the right way. So for the key pins, so far we have a standard in 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5 are all serrated key pins. So now for the driver pins. And with these American locks, I do remember that the front of the core has the little notch in it for the front of the plug to recess into, so it's harder to mix the front of the core up with this one. Let's see if I can do this alright. Lift up, press in. So this will be pin 1, which is a spool, and it goes this way. Pin 1, I'm expecting the rest to be all serrated. So pin 2 is a beautifully serrated pin. Excuse me. Pin 3 is another beautifully serrated pin. Let's go from the other side now. Okay, so there's nothing in pin 6 in chamber 6. So in chamber 5 we have a spool. And I'm betting this one is serrated as well. Yep, this is a serrated pin as well. I'm going to leave the springs in. I hope nobody minds that, but I think I don't want to take those out and get them all mangled up. So here are our results. We have, I hope you can all see that okay. I can't tell the lighting here. So we have a standard in chamber 1 for the key pin. We have a double serrated in chamber 2. We have what looks like a lightly double serrated in chamber 3, and double serrated in 4 and 5. We have, my eyes aren't that good, I can't tell if the spool's serrated or not, but there's a spool in chamber 1 and 5, and pins 2, 3, and 4 are serrated pins as well. So there we have it, my first pick and gut on video of an American 1100. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.